everyone, it's Rylan here from Sena, and today I'm going to show you how to take off and install the faceplates on the all-new 60S. So let's get into it. Let's start with the removal of these faceplates. There are two faceplates on the unit, so you have the main faceplate right here, and then you have the jog dial faceplate. And I want to say to make sure to be careful when you remove it, just to ensure safe installation and removal. So to remove the top faceplate, first you're going to put your thumb on the jog dial, and you're going to use your fingers on the slimmer end, and you're going to push with the jog dial and pull with the fingers until you see it click off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb or your fingers and you're going to push in the middle here for the plate to pop off. Now let's jump into the jog dial. To pop off the jog dial, you're first going to turn and look for a little notch right here. Then what you're going to do is push down with your thumb and pull up with your fingers. Now it may just pop up on the first go, or you may have to turn the jog dial and pop it up again to pull the whole thing off. And that's how you remove the faceplates on the 60S. To install the front faceplate, you're first going to take the bottom. You can see that little part right there. You're going to take it and you're going to slide it into that opening right there. And then you're going to push and click the top into place. There should be 3 clicks. So 1, 2, 3. To put on the jog dial faceplate, you're going to turn and find that little notch again. You're going to find the notch on your faceplate, line it up, and push right on. And that's how you remove and install the faceplates on the 60S. And for a few tips, make sure that the antenna is already up so you're able to get behind it, as well as when you're removing this front faceplate, don't pull from either side. Make sure to always push in the middle for safe removal. And it's easy as that. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to catch you next time.
Connected.